there is a strong possibility that in this video I might get red lipstick on my teeth, but if I do, let's just pretend it never happened. The vintage Christmas jumper is back, the red lipstick is back, the Christmas backdrop is back, and hopefully this video will get you feeling a bit festive and help you sort your life out a bit, because I don't know about you, but I have not finished getting all my Christmas presents yet. You might be thinking, Soph, it's a little bit late for a Christmas gift guide because we're almost like mid-December, but I usually am shopping for Christmas presents until up about like 3 days before Christmas. So if you're one of those people, hopefully this will help you out. But this is going to be giving you guys a load of Christmas gift ideas, mostly beauty themed, because I mean, that's kind of what my channel is. But there is a couple of like other random bits in here as well. So I hope you enjoy. And before we start this video, leave me a Christmas gift suggestion down in the comments because I have no idea what to ask for Christmas. So the first thing in my Christmas gifts, this one isn't actually beauty, but it's probably one of the most useful things that I own, and I got this as a gift for my 22nd birthday, and that is an Amazon Echo Dot, which I mean a lot of people just call it an Alexa. I'm not going to say it too loud because I don't want it to trigger your Echo Dots and bring her alive. But as I'm filming this, Amazon have still got their deal on where it is $24.99 instead of $49.99, which is such a good deal. If you don't know what it is, it's a speaker and you can speak to it. I'm sure you all know what it is because it's literally everywhere. But I was always like, no, I don't need one of those. It won't come in handy. But trust me, when you wake up in the morning and you want to listen to some music without having to get out of bed, or if I'm doing my makeup and I want to listen to some music, I can just be like, play Taylor Swift, and then it does that. I mean, it's great. And also you can ask it stuff like, what's the weather going to be like today? Like, you can ask it loads of different things. So that is gift item number one, because that is something that I use every day, and if you don't have one and you know somebody that likes music, then I would highly recommend it. The next thing, again, is something that I use every day, and I think this would make a really, really good Christmas present. I am actually working with Foreo on this part of the video. Did you know that I've been pronouncing this Foreo for the past, I don't know, 6 or 7 months? Turns out it's actually pronounced Foreo. But they are sponsoring this little segment of the video, but I could literally not be more thrilled to be working with them, because I bought myself a Foreo Luna Mini 2, which was like a little blue one, pretty much the same as this. But this is the upgraded version, which is the Luna Mini 3, which you can connect to the app. And if you didn't know what this is already, it's actually a electric cleansing device for your face. So you turn it on at the back here. I don't know if you can hear that, but it pulsates. I'm just going to turn it off so that it's not really annoying. This is really good for cleansing your skin to get rid of like sweat, dirt, oil. It's just really good for giving your skin a deep cleanse, but I have really sensitive skin and I have not found that this irritates my skin at all, which is amazing. If you're somebody that wants to have like a really nice kind of fresh base before makeup, or maybe you go to the gym quite a lot and you want something that's actually going to like effectively get out all of the sweat and the dirt, then this is a really great little device, and I think it would make a lovely Christmas present for somebody. It is pretty pricey, I'm not going to lie, but in my opinion, I think it's a good investment, because the good thing about this is you don't need to ever like replace any brush heads or anything, because it's made of 100% waterproof silicone. It's got the little silicone bristles on it, and for that reason it's really eco-friendly, which I love. You can charge it once and it will last for 400 uses before you have to charge it again. So I am going to insert a little clip of me using this and showing you how to use it. So all I do with this is when I wake up in the morning, I will go to the sink, I will just turn this on, wet my face, add my foaming cleanser, and then just do like circular motions all over my face. It automatically turns itself off once you've like, you know, it's done your timed little face wash, which I think is set to a minute. So like I said, this one does connect with the app, which I'm just going to get up now. It's got 12 different intensities, which is great. So depending how like much of a deep cleanse you want, you can increase the power of the pulsations. Also, if you misplace this, you can do Find My Luna on the app, which again is great for somebody who's super disorganized like myself. So you just open the app here and then press start, and then you press and hold the power button. So here you can increase the intensity between like 12, you can have it right down the bottom at 1. So that's 7. Then 12 is like really powerful, but then if you want it just really gentle, then you can have it on like a 3 or 4. This one also has a glow boost mode, so if you press the button and then double press it, it has like a super intense 30-second glow boost, which you can do if you're in a rush. And I just think it's a really good little tool. It's gentle enough for me to use it every day. It also feels really nice. Feels like you're getting a nice face massage. So if you guys are interested, I will leave all the links down below. The next gift recommendation that I can give to you guys is a nice brush set. This one is by Real Techniques. I think this is, okay, it literally says on it limited edition. I think you can get this from Superdrug, but this is the star-studded brush set. This comes with face brushes. You can get other sets that have eye brushes, but the powder brush in this is so nice. Also, this foundation brush is great. It then comes with a little brush, which is, I mean, you could use this on your eyes. You You could use this as like nose highlight, which is what I've used it for. There's also a flat kind of like eyeliner brush, and then there's a, what are they called? Fan brush for your highlighter. It also then comes with a mirror, a Real Technique sponge, which are really nice, a case for your sponge, a headband, and a brush kind of case thing. And I think in the Black Friday sale, this was like $29.99. I doubt it's full price because everywhere has like savings over Christmas. But I think this is a really nice brush set. It looks really nice. The brushes are really nice quality. Another brush set, if you know someone that is into Harry Potter, Boots are doing these Harry Potter brushes. I'm not personally the biggest fan of Harry Potter. I mean, I love the films, I think they're great, but I'm not like, you know, like a massive Harry Potter stan. But I think these brushes look beautiful. They're designed like they're wands, they're rose gold, they look really pretty. And you get a kind of like contour brush, you get a flat concealer brush, a fan brush, and then 2 eye brushes slash concealer brushes, I guess. This is £20, but again, I think like leading up to Christmas, they often have like 3 for 2 on gift sets or like different deals and stuff. Another thing that I wanted to put in here, because it's too adorable not to mention, and it would make a really cute little stocking filler. This is the Harry Potter Hedwig hand cream, and it's a little Hedwig owl, and I just thought it looked really adorable. This is £8, and again, available from Boots. It's just a hand cream really, but it's in cute packaging, and I'm a sucker for cute packaging, so I obviously could not do this video without a little bit of self-promo. So if you're looking for some jewellery for anybody this Christmas, or a phone case, or some makeup bags, I do have my collection with Skinny Dip. The stuff is still available. So the necklace and the earrings that I'm wearing right now are part of my collection. I think these are still on special offer. Everything will be linked down below. But I've also got these Sundial charm earrings, which are a little bit more of a statement. They've got these little dangly suns on them. Again, these are really affordable. The earrings full price are £10 each, but I think these are £5 at the moment. I've then got 3 different necklaces. The one that I'm wearing now is like a layered charm necklace. This one right here, I've been wearing this every day recently, is the sun and moon pendant charm necklace. This one is £12. And then this one right here is also £12. This is the sun and moon choker. And then I've also got my makeup bags, which I should have probably brought over here, but they are over there on the other side of the room. But I'll put pictures of them on the screen. And then of course as well, I have my products with Revolution. If you know any makeup lovers and you're on a budget and you want to get some affordable makeup that performs really well, again, I know these are my own products, but I can vouch for the fact that these are amazing. I use them all the time. The highlighter palette I use pretty much every single day. It's what I'm wearing right now. So this is my Soph highlighter palette with Revolution, and the shades that I've used today are mixing these two together. But again, you get 8 different shades in here. This is £8 for 8 shades of highlighter. You can get this in the UK, you can get it in Europe, you can get it in America, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa. It's in so many countries now, which is amazing. You can order it online or you can get it in stores. So this is the highlighter palette. I've also got the Extra Spice eyeshadow palette. I do have the original Soph eyeshadow palette as well, but I think the Extra Spice is a little bit more kind of Christmassy, because you've got the silver, you've also got gold, you've got the kind of greeny colours, you've got reds, and it's just my favourite eyeshadow palette. I mean, obviously I designed it with the idea that it would be my favourite because these are all colours that I use a lot, but the quality of this for £10 is so good in my opinion. You get a nice big mirror in there, which is super handy for doing like your full face of makeup, and yeah, 18 shades for £10, can't go wrong. And then I also have my nude lipsticks. These are only £4 each. This one in particular is called Cake, which is the one that I wear so much. This is probably my most worn one out of all of them, but I've got 3 different shades for different skin tones. There's Cake, which is a more kind of pinky toned one. There's Syrup, which is a lighter brownie nude, and then there's Fudge, which is a darker brownie nude. The next gift sets that I have to show you are a little bit more pricey, but they're still not gonna, you know, break the bank, and I think they'd make a really nice gift for a makeup lover if they're wanting to try anything from Benefit. Benefit have got some really nice Christmas gifts this year. They usually do some great stuff, but I think these ones are like really cute. So I've picked my top 3 out of the range. So this one is called the Eye Break for Beauty set. So it comes in a tin which looks like a little camper van, which is very cute. And then inside you pretty much get Benefit's bestsellers or like signature products. You get a full-size Hoola bronzer, full-size Professional primer, full-size Gimme Brow, and then a mini Bad Gal Bang mascara. These are some of Benefit's like best products in my opinion. So the fact that you get to try them in this little set and save some money on it, I think is a really clever and really cute idea. And then obviously once you're done with it, you can take out the foam and then reuse the tin to put biscuits in or put makeup in or whatever you want to store in it. They also have this one here, which is more of a kind of skin lovers set, I guess. guess. This one comes with a full size of their Total Moisture Cream. It comes with a eye cream. It comes with the full size brow conditioning primer, and then a mini professional. So this one I guess is for somebody that isn't as into their makeup but more focused on skin. And then my third pick from Benefit's gifts this year is the Brow Superstars limited edition brow set. This comes in different shades. I've got shade 3, which is the one that I use. And this, okay, first of all, it looks like a top hat, which is really cute. And this comes with pretty much every single one of Benefit's brow products. So if you know somebody that really likes Benefit's brow products or they want to try them, you can try every single one here. And these are all full sizes. I then have a few bits from Soap & Glory, which you can get in Boots. But this Soap & Glory one is a big gift. This contains £80.50 worth of products, and I'm pretty sure when this first went on sale it was either £30 or £35. I'll put it on the screen how much it is now, but this contains so many things. There's a bath bomb, scrub for your life. These are all like full sizes as well. Clean on Me shower gel, which literally lasts me about 6 months. Body spray, the Righteous Butter, again full size. The hair mask, again full size. A full-size vitamin C face wash. The Hand Food massive, okay, this is going to last you about 5 years, hand cream. The Radiance Boosting Vitamin C mask, which is really nice. A Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss, and then the Thick and Fast High Definition mascara. So that is a lot for your money. They do also have some smaller gift sets as well. This one I thought was really good because it comes with the makeup bag as well, so you could reuse this and put loads of stuff in it. Again, it comes with the Clean on Me shower gel, it comes with the Righteous Butter, some face wipes, it comes with the face mask again that I really like, and also the Scrub of Your Life. So yeah, again, they have loads of different gift options. Those are just 2 that I picked out. And then going back to makeup gift sets, Smashbox have got some gift sets this year which are kind of celestial themed, and I'm kind of in love with the packaging. So this set here is the Always On Luna liquid lip set. So in here you get 5 different liquid lips, which are kind of a mixture of nude shades. There's a red, there's a kind of metallic red, and these have got little moons actually on the liquid lipsticks, which I think is really cute. And I just think this is a really nice set if you know somebody again that's into lipsticks and they want some like festive colours, then this is really nice. They've also got this, which I accidentally managed to rip the box off, so let's just ignore that. This comes with their Photo Finish Primer, which is super popular. It comes with the primer water and also the primerizer, which is a moisturizer and primer in one. So again, if you know somebody that's wanting to try some stuff from Smashbox and they want to try a few of their kind of cult products, then I think this is a really nice little set. Another Christmas gift, which I love the packaging of. I think this looks so cute. This is from Skinny Dip, and this is their body care basket. So it looks like an actual basket made out of cardboard, which I think is adorable. I think my favorite thing that you get in here is this, which is a peach shaped body scrubber thingy. What are these called? Body puff? I don't know. And then you get the raspberry body lotion, the peach body wash, the raspberry and cream body polish, and the Spritz Me Baby raspberry body mist. Oh, it smells like sweets. Like I said, I'm a sucker for cute packaging. 2 other things from Skinny Dip, which I think will make really nice gifts. And these aren't beauty related, but I think that they're really cute and also pretty important. So the first one is a reusable coffee cup. This is a mini one with peaches on it, and I think that is the nicest looking coffee cup I've ever seen. So if you're the type of person that goes out and gets Starbucks, or maybe you get your free coffee from Waitrose if you're a Waitrose member, or just if you get coffee throughout the day at work, it's a lot better for the environment to try and bring a reusable coffee cup with you. And then on top of that, another thing which is also really good to try and do is bring a reusable water bottle with you. This one again is from Skinny Dip. It's one of the kind of insulated ones. This one, and also this one right here, which is by a brand called Cork Cycle, are my favourites because they actually keep your water cold. I filled this up yesterday evening. It is now 7 o'clock the next day. Yes, I should probably get some fresh water, but this is still cold. I then have a couple of gifts from Bare Minerals, which are a little bit more on the high-end side, but for the actual things that you get in here, I think these are slightly more affordable. This is the Little Gems Mini Metallic Mask Set. So if you know somebody that likes their skincare and they want to try out some of Bare Minerals face masks, this comes with 4 different face masks in these little travel-sized tubes. These have got different things. So the gold one has got hyaluronic acid, the amethyst one is to revitalize tired skin, the pink one, it says it gives you radiant and healthy looking skin, and the sapphire one is detoxifying. They also have these, which are the Gen Nude Metallic Eye Cream things. I'm actually going to open these up because you get 3 different shades. but they look kind of similar to the Stila liquid eyeshadow type things. They're just a very shimmery, beautiful cream eyeshadow. Oh, that shade is beautiful. This one is called Pink Opal. That is not pink. These look really pretty, and you get 3 of them in the set. Then sticking with the kind of beauty theme, obviously the Body Shop have got loads of great beauty gifts and kind of like skincare gifts, showery sort of gifts. But if you are shopping for somebody that you think has maybe got too much makeup, but they are still into makeup and you know that, this set from the Body Shop is the Calming Chamomile Gentle Cleanse Kit. So this comes with the eye makeup remover, the chamomile cleansing butter, which is amazing for like melting away your makeup, and it comes with a muslin cloth. So I think stuff like this is the perfect thing to get for somebody that loves makeup but doesn't need any more, because they're always going to need stuff to remove it. And this stuff is really gentle as well. It's really good for sensitive skin, so it's going to be fine for all skin types. And then the final gift recommendations in my gift guide this year are actually some perfumes. I just thought I'd recommend some of my favourite perfumes because I never really buy perfume for myself. I will only really ask for it at Christmas or birthdays just because it can be quite pricey. These ones aren't too bad as perfumes go. Okay, this one is a little bit pricey, but the other 2 that I've got aren't too bad. This one I discovered recently. This is the All Saints Sunset Riot fragrance. Just so you know, I'm really into my sweet fragrances. This one is a little bit more grown up, and I'm terrible at describing scents, so I will leave them a link down below so you can see the different notes. But this one just smells really... It's kind of like sweet, but like a mature sweet, and it smells a little bit kind of woody as well, I think. It just smells really good. My boyfriend likes it, I like it. I didn't even know All Saints did fragrances, but I think this is £49 for 100ml, which is obviously going to last you quite a long time. Another fragrance that I recently got as well, which I really like, is the Vera Wang Princess fragrance. This is such an OG classic. It's just very sweet, very girly. The bottle looks really nice. It's a little love heart. It does come with a little crown thing, but obviously I've lost the caps for all of these because it's me. This one is definitely a little bit more on the kind of sweet, sickeningly sweet side compared to this one. This one is more of like a toned down sweet. This one is more of a like, oh, you smell like a princess today. And then one, if you're looking for something a little bit more bougie, maybe I should have cleaned all of the face powder off of this. This is the YSL Black Opium perfume. This is definitely more of an evening fragrance, but oh my god. If you haven't smelt this, go into a store and smell it because it smells amazing. Vanilla-y sort of evening fragrance, but it's very kind of like strong and overpowering, but I love it. I love this so much. Again, because it is YSL, it's a little bit more pricey, but you can get like travel size ones and like rollables, I think. This one is the 50ml and it's lasted me ages. Like, I've used it loads and I haven't got through that much, so I love it. I love it. I love it so much. And that is me trying to explain fragrances. Don't ask me to do that again because I can't do it. Oh, and if you do want a more affordable fragrance, which is a body spray that you could put in somebody's stocking, it's £10. It's my Fragrance of Revolution, which is the Vanilla Creme Brulee body spray. I will insert a picture here because mine is over there and I'm lazy and I don't want to get up and move. So that is it for all of my Christmas gift suggestions. I hope this was useful. If it is, give it a thumbs up. And like I said, I will leave everything linked down below if I can find it. If some stuff is out of stock, then obviously, hopefully it's still available in stores, but I would do my best. Today's question comes from Caitlin Bethany, and she said, "Hi Soph, when you move house, are you going to be doing a house moving series such as shopping haul, empty house tour, etc.? Love you lots, Soph." Thank you so much. I love you too. Do you guys want to see that? Please let me know. Like, do you want me to do moving vlogs and kind of like house stuff on this channel, or do you think I should save it for my vlog channel? Please let me know because I'm kind of in 2 minds about it. Yeah, I guess it's down to you guys and what you want to see. Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can do that. If you want to turn my notifications on, you can do that. That would be great. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!